Okay, they just landed, so I'm gonna do a small unboxing of the Geek World GK10. That's how the box looks. That's why I'm doing unboxing this very second, because they are literally packed like this. So, GK10 post. So I remove the protective foil, the NEM with 4 different tips. Yeah. God damn, yeah. Ooh, the cable looks nice. And extra tips, we get my tool as always. Very handy. Extra tips, we get silicone ones. So that's more silicone tips. As you see. No box. A nice tiny, like a punch, leather one. Or semi-leather. I don't have one, will be useful. Then we get the Geek World card. I'm gonna try to record that close up. What it says on it? Warranty card, basically it is. So I can register and everything, and that's it for the thingies. Now let me open the zip back. And I'm back. We took a cable out, so the cable is like this. Gonna try to focus somehow on it. The plug is so-so. Braiding is nice though. It's two strands, I'd say, and then it splits here. I'll try to close it up. Manual focus. Let's focus it up. Bit of zoom. Sorry about that. There we go. I'm holding this. I just literally got them like a few minutes ago. That's metal. So it splits into 2. And these are, I'm gonna try to unwind it a bit, see how they do. Resume, and so that's 3 strands per side, which is 6 core cable in that case. It's quite light and nice. The chin thing. That's well, I would say this is absolutely useless on this cable. It just flies up and down. And then we got the 2-pin connectors. Let's check how the sound is. Yeah, we're gonna check the sound, but I first gonna show you how it actually looks. Nice heart shape. That's why I went with the like a reddish one. At least it's I'm thinking was idea, if it doesn't sound good, at least looks good, and I can sell it easily or something. Yeah, it's a nice looking NEM in my eyes, in my opinion. Especially when I had a pink hair, it would be a perfect match for myself. Right, though, let's hook him up and hear him. Right, I'm gonna record it this way. The bass is fucking epic. They are fucking epic. It's no bullshit. This stuff actually sounds better than anything I got. No siblings. Vocals epic. How? Next, so that was let's try vocal side trends. I should get better. What's it? Right, so I'm gonna be live recording this. Sorry about the pauses and such. I'm waiting for the vocal. to kick in. The fit is fantastic. I'm on Compliform Sports, which are 400 density. Right, 145 BPM trends with vocal. Best I heard. Let's try some modern talking. Sexy, sexy lava. The best headphone I own. It is the best headset. God damn it. Next, what we have? Madonna Essential Material Gear. Says a look. Skips. Let me, some boys, let me, okay. That's the way. Like Vogue. It's nice bass there. Deep. Nice sub bass and punchy bass as well. Super clean. These are so clean. Strike the pose. Like a prayer. Let's have a look. Vocal is so great and bass doesn't affect. I mean, this is so nicely tuned. Everything is leveled up. There is nothing I should say that stands out too much. It's like perfection. Pum pum bum. When you know my name, then just break the prayer. Fuck, this is good. Like a virgin. Let's try this. Let's eat. Shit, Madonna sounds good. Goosebumps. Straight up. Goosebumps. And I'm on 14 out of 36 on power, so I'm not listening too loud. Oh. Hey, like a virgin. Sounds fucking great music. I love music tune. The bass there. Gonna drive me crazy. Oh, the bass is amazing. Vocals amazing. Treble. Oh, let's move to some metallic musics. The Prodigy, no. Metal. Let's try Polish Gothic. Crystalite. Where's the instruments? Skip a bit. That sounds good. Theater of Tragedy. Let's see what we can sing. Space Age. Machine. Metal, amazing. Gothic, fantastic. So everything sounds good. From my list. Music. 2, 3. I'll synthesize, I like the key, turn it down, compose a melody. Epic.